Stoichiometry and Balancing Equations by Ryan, Madison, Christian, and Sean. So, stoichiometry is a relationship between relative quantities that they are taking part in a reaction. They are typically a ratio of whole integers. Okay. Balancing chemical equations. According to the law of conservation of mass, mass cannot be destroyed or created. This means that there must be an equal amount of atoms on the reactant and the product side of the equation. A few ways to help you balance out chemical equations are increasing the proportion of compounds/atom, focusing on balancing one atom at a time, and focusing on single elements first. All right, stoichiometry formula. To calculate the stoichiometry by mass, the number of molecules required for each reactant is expressed in moles and multiplied by the molar mass of each to give the mass of each reactant per mole of reaction. The mass ratios can be calculated by dividing each by the total in the whole reaction. Stoichiometric ratios. Stoichiometric ratios are used to help balance chemical equations. A chemical equation is a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction. The stoichiometric ratios for integers can only be used when representing the number of moles or molecules. These ratios do not apply to the masses of the chemicals involved in the reaction. For example, 4NH3 plus 5O2 yields 4NO plus 6H2O. So if we wanted to show the ratio between the amount of moles in NH3 to the amount of moles in NO, we can use stoichiometric ratios. So 4 moles NH3 to 4 moles NO, and the simplest form would be 1:1.